Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are several places that will fix your iPhone screen for cheap. Office Depot. Office Depot has over 1,300 locations in the U.S., making it one of the most common places that fixes iPhone screens. iCracked. Amazon Home Services. U-Break iFix. Solaris.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cell Phone Repair by Geek Squad. Registered at select Best Buy stores. We can repair your iPhone or Samsung cell phone, no matter where you bought it. iPhone screen replacement starts at $129 and Samsung screen replacement starts at $199.99.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you've broken your iPhone screen, you probably need to repair it quickly. If you don't have the time or money to take it into the store for repairs, you can do it easily and cheaply at home. All you need is an inexpensive repair kit, or simple tools that you might already have, and a new screen.
Take our lead.
So, no, toothpaste will not fix a cracked screen, especially when you consider that most phone screens are touch screens. All toothpaste will do is make it less obvious to other people that your screen is damaged. Apply the paste to a clean, soft cloth and gently rub in a circular motion on the phone's scratches.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.